I am so excited about today's video because I have an update on Structure Styler in my crafted lineup. Structure Styler has been a really true representation of what hair products can do. This is not just your run-of-the-mill, everyday, same old hair product. This is something that I wanted to be unique, something I want to be different, something that I've never seen done in a hair product in my career of being a hairstylist for over 30 years. Now, this is the reason why I want to show you the video today. I have made major updates to Structure Styler. When I first launched it, when you open the jar, a lot of times people would say like, oh, it's like cake batter. And yes, it was, because this is a very difficult product to make. A lot of moving parts, a lot of ingredients. Clean ingredients, I must say, but a lot of moving parts. So initially, when you would scoop it out, and if you've been using this for some time now, you know, once you would get through that first barrier, that first layer of product, then it becomes a bit more traditional. Well, I'm happy to say that after a lot of hard work, we have been able to get a much smoother scoop with the same exact results. And I'm going to demonstrate that right now. As I scoop this with my hand, you can see it comes right out like so. A very, very nice, easy scoop, nothing challenging, no hard digging anymore. Now it pretty much scoops right out. When it comes to actually mixing it into the hands, it's almost the same thing. You're gonna push down like so, and it just glides right through the hand, and it is a buttery smooth, really light textured product. And what makes this so unique is that you do not need a lot of it. So you want to work it through your hands and make sure that all the product is pretty much all worked through. And then once you have that, you're going to be able to feel that light little texture. Make sure you get all of it in the hands. Then you are ready to apply it to the hair. This mannequin has very soft, very flowing type of hair, and Structure Styler is designed to give your hair that foundational base when you are styling it. You can use this as its own product, and the end result feels like there's nothing in your hair, but you have that amazing pliability that lasts all day. So I'm going to take the product that I just worked into my hands, and I'm now working it into the hair. And what's happening is it's adhering to the hair, but while it's doing that, the way it's absorbing is making it feel like there's nothing in the hair. And that's what makes this so unique, is that it's giving you volume, it's giving you structure for you to either apply another product or just use it as is. And you can see within 2 seconds, look how much volume this has and how much structure. That's why I wanted to create a whole new category in hairstyling where it's building the foundation. And as someone who's worked on thousands of clients throughout my 30+ years as a hairstylist, I've always wanted something that I can just put in someone's hair without it looking like there's really any product in it, being able to go in and reshape it and remold it and create that foundational structure. So from here, what you could do is you could go in and then apply something else. Or if you want to have a product that literally you can put in your hair, run your fingers through it, it's going to stay in place like this because the hair is not moving and it doesn't feel stiff. It feels and looks like there's really nothing in the hair. You can use this on its own as a styling product. And that is what makes Structure Styler so unique. And as a hair professional, I've mentioned this when I first launched the videos about this, I've never seen any product do this. And it is available on my website. You can actually purchase it right here if you click View Products. So let's talk about also volume. So as I'm lifting this, right, I'm building that foundation. Look at, and this hair, the reason I want to use this is because this hair is a longer hairstyle, which means that traditionally the hair would just fall very, very flat. It's a heavier hairstyle, which means if your hair is probably half of that, then it's going to be a lot easier as far as getting more volume. But however, this was done real time just with moving my hands, and look at, there's no denying that there is tons of volume just with that little amount I put in the hair. Now here's what makes it unique. Watch this. I can then reshape this. I can run my fingers through it. There's literally nothing going on in the hair, and I can mold it and sculpt it any way I want. And that is what was just so shocking to me during the testing phase of all this. I said, how are you able, like, how was this even possible? And it's because of the direction that I wanted, because of the ingredients we used, the testing from me being a real professional, knowing what to look for. And I can say that this is probably one of my favorite hair products of all time because of how this reacts. And there you go. Once again, you want the volume, it's still going to be there. So let's after I deflated this, let's bring that volume back in the hair and let's see. And there it is right there. I just literally resculpted and reshaped it and recreated that structure in the hair that is needed for styling. So you want to brush through it? Okay, fine, let's brush through it. And look at that, it brushes right through and there's no, any sort of major tugging, no anything, like where it's super resistance. Look at this, I'm brushing right through the hair, okay? I brushed right through it. Now let's go back in because we've applied that foundation. And once again, boom, back to having that style and that volume and that texture. All from this product right here, Structure Styler. And I'm so happy and so proud of the updates that we've made specifically with the scooping. It's got a beautiful sandalwood fragrance, a very natural, clean, sophisticated fragrance. And this is what I call affordable luxury. Yes, it's a more premium priced product, but so much went into the development of this that, you know what, you're getting a lot of value from this. You don't need a lot of it, and you're gonna get incredible results. Once again, if you wanna purchase this, it's available. Just click on View Products right here, and you can purchase it and get it shipped out to you really, really quickly. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy Structure Styler.